They say some cow wey Fulanis dey carry come southeast get odeshi for inside body. No be small thing o. As this ESN men don go dey catch one Fulani cow o. Na so they start dey give am ekpakpakpa. The cow no gree kpai o. Na so they give am many groundnut make the cow kpai. End of the day, they don't even know whether na Musa turned to that cow. Now they try to shoot the cow. Now so cow egbechiri final. The odeshi, the native doctor wey do this odeshi for this cow, e no work. You need to watch the video, but like say the sound will go mute am small. But that cow wey you dey see for that place, they give am like almost 30 bullets. The cow no gree. You know if you open him body. Now the cow wey they carry they come southeast, can't give people make they chop. Things are happening. However, as that one they happen, they say one woman. The work of this woman that they carry they enter market like saying they say crayfish. You know, no small momo na, that be small momo. He carry them the enter market like say they say crayfish. Things they happen. As that one they happen, they say that Sunday Igboho don't call the immediate and unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He said that what he about to start in Yoruba, Nigeria will shock. I say, this one go red though. Una know the Michael Ozoko when I be former Nnamdi Kanu legal counsel, be lawyer. No be small thing they say. He said that Turumbu don't, in fact, he don't fair yata. My people, let's go and check how these things take they happen before we come back, you know. Yeah. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back. I see they hot. My wonderful people, things they happen. The one where they share now, they say that the cow wey Fulani carry come east to now the cow go mistakenly carry them enter inside where ESN they dey. Now the ESN come outside though, come start say no, na their work, say they must make sure say they buy this cow. Now so they can't give am one bullet. Why? The cow no gree shake. They give am another one, the cow no gree shake. They give am second one, the cow no gree shake. It come be like say the cow carry odeshi for body. They even use their mouth talk am say see wetin dey happen. They don't know whether na Musa turn to that cow. They follow other cow. Oh, my people. However, let's watch the video, then we'll come back, can continue.
If I bu efinde Hausa Fulani, if I kwuru na ya chọrọ na ala Biafra land. Ọkwa no ebe anyị bikwa na duplex ayo ka ha kpu efifa we wakpo anyị. Tata bụ 25th. Tata bụ 25th of February 2024. As you can see, if I bu efi Fulani, as you can see it. Onwere bullet a na-agba na penetrate here. Onwekwa ni mma na-agba na penetrate here. I could that na ya chọrọ Fulani in our Biafra land and their cows. Or if I could okwe nwa yi adị mgbajọ. ESN Ozugbo. Oh ya ka ndị.
My people, Shebona don't see am. Oh God, things they happen. After now, we go still come eat that meat though. Oh, my people, as this one they happen, let's quickly jump inside and watch this video where this woman carry omomo, they enter inside market like say they say crayfish. Watch the video.
Sunday, February 2024. The date here for 25. I am with this woman before 2021. They cover 2 children Nakia. I may say I na buy, na buy, and I chose here. Come I have with the baby, buy. And I believe that this woman from an Amazon na buy n'ime steeti go la na alụ ahụ biluzie ebe ahụ were mekwa the same business ahụ na-eme I will nweta the information kemgbe 2 weeks wee na-amalite ka anyị nwetasị ibe niile anyị chọrọ ọ na-apụta taa last night around that kind after 3 with my boys I surrendered that house till after 7 of this morning akwadi akụmepe ụzọ I wee bata n'ime ya dị ya wee fụ nwa nke a na-asịkwala ya asị mana mesizie na ọ gwakwazi anyị eziokwu nwa nke a bụ nwa mmadụ amụgo ya ọsọpụrụ onye anaba onye nke a onye Yoruba amụgo nke elego nke last week wetin be your name? I am the
Inside for Yoruba.
For whose side? Odo State.
We are for Ondo.
Apopo Ifla.
But which side they go from, madam?
Ebe kisi ya?
Those lady.
Oye nanka.
Brother, please speak louder.
Huh? It's not.
Anambra State.
Ebe isi ya? Ana amugi nebe. Ebe isi ya? Omugo State. What is your name? Ogechi.
Ogechi who?
Who side of Imo State?
Ogechi who?
Ogechi.
I don't know all the same.
What is your name? Ogechi Solomon. What is your name? Gift from where? Who side of Imo State? Ngo. ụmụnne anyị ofu na ndị a onye nwaanyị a onye nwere dị mma na-emechite woman trafficking.
Woman trafficking.
Where is your baby? They don't sell them. How much you give you? He give you 50,000. Sell your baby. Huh? This one here, the mama don't go, Abi. And they ask you, mama don't go. The mama don't go. You don't buy them, you go sell them. I buy and sell. Okay. This one, how many months pregnant today? 1 month pregnant. You don't burn your own. But your own don't die. They don't bury them. I have the video. I will send all the video. Even the president, they carry their baby. I have the coverage. Sorry for your loss. But I want you to give any money. I want M11. Okay. Madam.
Ndi Oba Nanu Onumu Ekene Munu, with all due respect, I still remember my humble self, aka Chua Watewa. This is what is happening in Oba, in Anambra State, precisely. Today, we're being 25th of February 2024. Our security agency Tracy, this woman from Mbo Youth, Tracy, this woman compound here, we recover this baby. And ndi elegolo nwahele nokugia and ndi kado ime gaya munwa egele nwakwa. Please friends, share this video. Please share this video because let this video go viral. Onye kanu aboye Yoruba and nwa nke yelege this woman ka kunwa onye ka number 1 year onye kanu nwa nke ye omula anwugo ewe niye na that compound ejuku evidence ebe eniriye. Because friends, please share this video. Onye na anu chief admin Obesgo platform, let this video go viral to get the proper government authority. Thank you.
My people, Shebuna don't see am. No be smart, you know. Na so this woman, all these people where you see there, once the omomo come out, na so they carry and enter market. But however, I can't barely today. My people, let's quickly jump inside this Ogbonge news. What I want to bring you now. Where Sunday Igboho they call out the Nigeria government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Watch the video, we'll come back and continue.
Release Nnamdi Kanu. Stop politics. This guy didn't do anything. Today is 27 February 2024. Release him. Let him go and stay with his family. This guy just fights for his people in Southeast. Like me, I'm fighting for my people in Yoruba land. Release him, let him go. Stop politics game. Release Kanu, let him go home. Please, release him.
My people, Shebuna don't see him. Sunday Igboho don't talk. Showore don't still talk, make they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Everybody don't talk, make they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Even Nigerians don't talk, make they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. See no be problem. Wetin come be the problem wey make them hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? They go tire. However, let's quickly watch this video coming from this our brother.
So sorry, a sight. If I were in Nigeria, presently, I would have joined a protest. Although this is something we started more than 40 years ago, one is never too old to protest against ills of the society. The truth is that this government started on a very, very wrong footing. You remove subsidy without any attempt to cushion the devastating effect of this removal. Today, transportation that was probably 100 or 200 naira is about 1,000 to 1,500 naira. Some of us who are senior lawyers, whom God has blessed to have some little means, we had to increase the salary of staff. We have to continue the system of cooking for staff to make sure that they eat. In other words, Nigeria has gone back to where we were about 1983, where it was actually hunger and starvation. Remember the Thai Sholaring panel or committee that had to be set up to standardize food prices? We are back there. In other words, the problem of Nigeria today now are not even problems of development, how to build a house, how to buy a car. It is how to eat, even if it is 2 meals a day. So it is a situation that this government has to do everything about. But to me, it is most embarrassing when I see officials of this government blaming the Jonathan government that left office in 2015, nearly 10 years ago. Even ironically, blaming their own predecessor that they took over from within the same APC government. I think everything has gone wrong. I think this government needs to go back to the drawing board, make it a tabula rasa, go back to the drawing board, go back to brass tacks and say, where did we miss it? Microeconomics? How did we come here? How? When did CBN become a commercial bank doling out money? Why have BDCs, people who sit under the trees and small tables, how can they control your economy and determine how much a dollar should cost? Why has the government dollarized the economy that you can even see government officials spending money and spraying dollars? Why are things so bad? And the way we are going, it's already 1,000 naira, 50 naira to the dollar. When I predicted last year it will go to 1.5, some people said I was crazy. But can I now predict, if we are not careful, we'll be going to a situation where we once saw in Ghana, where they were carrying their cedi in baskets to the market to go and buy things where they would put in their pocket. Before the end of this year, if we are not careful, the naira may exchange to up to 4,000 naira to the dollar. Do you know why?
Prof,
Because there's nothing
things changed
in place.
rapidly in the last 2 days. The naira was exchanged.
Okay guys, tell me what you think about this video that you just watched. Do you think that joining the protest will change anything in Nigeria? Do you think that joining the protest will reduce the cost of the living? Do you think that joining the protest can have any impact of the thing that's going on in Nigeria today? So let me know in the comment section. And what do you think about the message on the Igbo sent to Nigeria government to leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? And also the cow, they get Odeshi for Bodio. Tell us what you think. And also the woman where they do business, where they bring gears. When they don't give back, bam, you go carry am like say they say crayfish. You know now. So let us know what you think for inside comment section. Share the video, very, very important. Thank you.